Okay, so have a look at this light fitting. Now, it is grimy and dusty put together. Now, what I'm going to show you is how we can bring that back up to new without removing it easy. This is for people at home. So I've sprayed the Shyn Degreaser on the light fitting and I've let it sit for about 10 seconds. Now, using a wet microfibre cloth, that's all. Look at how much effort I'm putting into it. That would be very little. So I'm agitating and that's removing all the grime. So a little bit of agitation, soft agitation is all you need, nothing strenuous. Now everything has come off. The fly poop, the sticky grease, the sticky dust, gone. Now we're going to remove the product residue. So I don't want any chemical left behind on my fixture because chemical makes things dirtier faster because it's like a little bit of a sticky tape for dust. Okay, so all the product is removed. I'm making sure that it is gone. I don't care about the dust right now. That can still stay there, but it will come off now. Now, using our Shyn Ultimate cloth, we're now going to wipe that dry just one time. I'm going to show you how that looks right about now. That's right. That's all we needed to do. This is when you don't want to remove your light fixture.